Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, wherever you are in the world. I hope you're having a great day. So, I'm going to show you how you can do this, which is getting Snapchat on your PC. And it is very simple, guys. And as you can see, I am using Snapchat here on PC. I haven't actually added myself back yet. And then, what what it does is it acts as a Android device. So it's an emulator for an Android. As you can see, it's fully working and everything. So what we want to do is we want to go to a website called BlueStacks, which is here. I'll leave the link in bio. It says retry download because I've literally just downloaded it and to make this video, and then I deleted it. So what you want to do is you want to download it and then double click on it to open it up. You'll be prompted to accept it. The changes, and then what you'll accept it, and then you'll get to the home screen, which I can't find the home button. 1 second. Oh, not full screen. So once you find the home button, this is what it will look like when you download it. There we go. You want to go to the Play Store. When you click on it for the first time, it will make you sign in and stuff. I'm already signed in. And then you can search for whatever you want. So obviously I got Snapchat, but you can get Instagram and stuff. I'm not sure why you want to get Instagram when you can just download it from the normal store. You can get YouTube app and stuff. So let's install that. Boom. And then you can get the icon on your home screen, and it will work like the normal YouTube app on the Android device. It'll make you sign in and stuff. There we go. Go to library, stuff like that. But anyways, that is how you get Snapchat on PC. I haven't got a webcam or anything connected, so that's why that message pops up, but I'm sure it will work. And boom. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you've enjoyed the video. Hope you found it useful. And be sure to let me know if you are going to use this trick to get Snapchat on your PC. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one. Peace.